5 years after the EOS RP's debut, Canon might finally unveil its true successor, the EOS R9. This rumored camera isn't just an update, it's potentially a complete reimagining of what an entry-level full-frame mirrorless camera can be. Let's discuss more about the Canon EOS R9 to understand it better. At the Canon R9's core, we're hearing whispers of a 33-megapixel full-frame sensor. This isn't just a numbers game. It's about squeezing every bit of detail and quality out of your shots. Imagine capturing a landscape where you can almost count the leaves on distant trees or a portrait where every eyelash is tack-sharp. That's the promise of this sensor, especially when paired with Canon's latest Digic X processor. But great images aren't just about resolution. The R9 is expected to borrow the dual-pixel AF2 system from its R7 and R10 cousins. This focus system is like having a psychic assistant. It predicts where your subject is going and keeps them sharp, even if they're zigzagging across the frame. There's even talk of it recognizing cars, just like the EOS R6 Mark II. Wildlife photographers and sports shooters take note. Video capabilities are where the R9 might really shine. We're looking at a potential 4K recording at 30 FPS without cropping, using the full width of that beefy sensor. For slow-motion lovers, there are murmurs of 4K at 60 FPS or even full HD at a buttery smooth 120 FPS. Pair that with rumored in-body image stabilization, and you've got a recipe for silky smooth footage that looks like it came from a much pricier rig. Speaking of smooth, let's talk about that Viewfinder. A 4 million pixel EVF with minimal lag means what you see is what you get in real time. No more almost got it moments. The 120 FPS LCD screen and fully articulating touchscreen round out a package that's as flexible as it is powerful. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Price. The whispers point to a range between $999 and $2,000. At the lower end, that's full-frame territory for APS-C money. Even at $2,000, it's still a steal for what you're getting. This aggressive pricing isn't just about undercutting competitors like the Nikon Z5 or Sony A7 III. It's about opening doors for photographers who thought full-frame was out of reach. Canon seems to be eyeing growth markets like India, where a sub-$1,000 full-frame camera could be a game-changer. With predictions of 7% year-over-year growth through 2028 in the Indian market, this strategy makes a lot of sense. As for when we might see this camera, the tea leaves, and by tea leaves, we mean Canon's recent camera registrations, point to a late 2024 release. Canon recently registered a camera with the designation DS12694. Could this be our R9? Of course, we're still in rumor territory. Canon hasn't made any official announcements, and the current RP isn't showing signs of being phased out just yet. But the potential of the R9 is undeniable. It's not just about replacing the RP, it's about redefining what Canon fans can expect from an entry-level full-frame camera. The EOS R9, if the rumors hold true, isn't just another camera. It's a statement of intent from Canon, a declaration that high-end photography shouldn't be gated behind high-end prices. It's a potential revolution in a compact, affordable package. And for photographers of all levels, that's something worth getting excited about. What do you think? Share with us in the comment section below. Subscribe for more content like this, and as always, thanks for watching.